Anyone? Someone is in something.
Ma'am,
I also have same problem.
What, Divansi?
Ma'am, the same problem. I am not able to upload the assignments.
Then you write to SLCM.
Okay.
You write to SLCM.
Okay, ma'am.
You are not able to upload your assignment means your Kit email ID is not working properly, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. It is asking for two-step verification.
Then you should verify that.
नो
Ma'am,
मैम,
it is
वो दिखा रहा है कि
verified.
एडमिशन से ये हो जा रहा है, प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज नॉट अलाउइंग यू टू डू द वेरिफिकेशन.
ma'am, will I say one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying the problem is arising due to the fact that KIT had sent all of us an email ID on 13th, before 13th of November, citing that we should turn on our two-step in verification within 13th of November. Otherwise, we will be facing problems. So the problem which is arising that many people hadn't sign on their two-step verification. That's why the form is not opening.
So then I think the same thing you have also faced, and they have sent you some verification like numbers and all. So then
Yes, ma'am. They
why
have sent
don't
me
you?
5 verification codes.
Yes.
After that, my it was working.
Then
Ma'am,
why don't you sending to your friends so that they will
no,
solve
ma'am.
their problem?
Actually, we before the time limit, we actually verified it earlier with the two-step verification process. So before the time limit, we had completed that. So we are not facing any problem, right?
So Dipanshi and Surachita should do that before time. And if you have not done, then like you try once by taking the help of Subham or Karthik. And again, if you are facing the same issue, then you should contact to the ICT cell. Okay.
Ma'am, I just did verification 6 days ago and it worked.
So all of you should discuss in the group if you are facing any issue and you can solve among yourselves. So then try to solve it out. Otherwise, if you are not at all you are not at all trying like able to solve that one, then you should contact to the ICT cell. Okay. So Surachita and Dibyansi, please try to solve it. If you are again facing the same problem, then again you have to remind to the ICT cell. Just
ओके
wait
मैम.
for just wait for today, and if it is not happening like today, then you have to remind it in the evening so that they should do. Okay, because they we do not know now who will be there and who is like looking after this. Somebody like the people are changing shift wise, so just wait for today, and if it is not, they are not solving you. So then you should do a miss. If you have not done, then you should do.
यस मैम करेंगे, लेकिन मैम हमको सबमिशन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है. मेरा सबमिशन कोई भी ईमेल में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है, तो उससे रिलेटेड नहीं लग रहा है हमको.
Then anyway,
Yes, ma'am. Verification का submission से क्या मतलब है?
I don't know if like exactly I do not know the what should be the solution. I'm only the I'm just in between you and the administration to help you. Okay, that's what. So anyway, if you are facing any problem, then you should discuss in the group. So that's why the official WhatsApp group is formed to discuss to solve the problem related our academics. Okay. So if you are facing any problem, means you try to write there. Some of you will like among your friends, somebody will may have faced the same problem before. So if he or she is experienced, then they will guide you. So that's what I'm trying to say. Okay then. So let us discuss chemical kinetics.
Ma'am, what about the laptops?
Laptop till now they have not informed us anything. So no new messages or no new informations. So for me also, I do not know exactly what should I say. If some new information I would get, then definitely I'll write in the group itself.
Ma'am, Saturday we have practical class, right?
Um, yes, yes.
What is the sixth practical?
Yes. Again, sir, namaskar class ରେ ଅଛି କିଛି urgent ଅଛି? ଏ ଯେ ଯତୀନ ସିନ୍ହା ବସୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ଆଉ ଅଜୟ ସରି କଣ ଆଲୋକ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ସାର୍ ବି ବସୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ଆଉ କଣ ବସିବାନି କେମିତି ଜଣେ ପ୍ରଫେସର ସେ ଫେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ତ ସେ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ତ ସିନା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ବି ସେଇ କଥା କହିଲି ସେ ହସିଲେ କଣ କରିବି ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ତ ମୁଁ ମନା କରିପାରିବିନି ସେମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୋ ଯିଏ ଯାହାକୁ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିବ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ସେ ଭଲ କହିବ ମୁଁ ଏଇନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନାହିଁ କରିଦେଲି ତ ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଉଲ୍ଟା ହେଇଯିବ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଏ କଥାଟା ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଯାହା ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋର କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ଯିଏ ବସିକି କାମ କଲେ କଣ ଅଛି ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ ନହେଲେ ଖରାପ ଭାବେ କାଳେ ଆମର ଲାଗିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ନ ଲାଗିଲେ ମୁଁ ହଁ ହଁ ମୋ କ୍ଲାସ ମଝିରେ ଅଛି 10ଟାରୁ 11ଟା କ୍ଲାସଟା ହଁ ହଁ why people are disturbing in the anyway so I'm very sorry somebody was telling something but I should also attend the call because he is the development officer in this campus anyway
What is the sixth practical?
yes it will be your sixth practical kinetics I think chemical something kinetics of ethylase
Ester hydrolysis.
Ester hydrolysis yes
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
yes so serially it will be so after 10 experiments he will be free I will also be free
Ma'am, what about the marks? Quiz marks?
which marks I think they have in some I got
Ma'am,
this
in the
Saturday this Saturday you have your quiz for your lab class lab quiz will be there oh that important information I should
Google Forms, right?
For that, how much experiment?
just a minute let me check
मैम उसका टेस्ट कैसे होगा मैम
गूगल फॉर्म में ही होगा
And we have also bio.
हाँ ये 6:30 chemistry lab syllabus for this quiz would be first 3 experiments
मैम कब होगा
मैं भेज देती हूँ आपके ग्रुप में भेज देती हूँ
बायो का भी है मैम
6:30 में
नहीं मैम सुबह में
bio
Dear all, the first quiz for chemistry lab is going to be scheduled this Saturday, 27th November 2021 at 6:30. The syllabus for this quiz would be first 3 experiments. The pattern would be similar to the theory quiz as we conducted. So, okay.
मैम इस क्विज का टाइमिंग क्या होगा बिकॉज उस क्विज में पता नहीं चल पाया था कब सबमिट हो गया मतलब सबमिट नहीं हुआ मतलब दिखा दिया दिस फॉर्म
छोड़ दो अगर वो लोग मतलब if you are submitting in time this time also you try to submit properly so that you will not face any problem because most of your friends have submitted okay so if you are facing if any as this is new for all of you so I am also considering and I have already talked to the central team they have told me that you can take independently this quiz for your students if you think that this is justified to take this quiz and you can add this mark for your students
ओके मैम
Ma'am,
okay so हाँ यस, मुझे
मैम
लग
वी
रहा है
विल
ये आज
डू
मेरे बच्चे लोग पढ़ाने नहीं देंगे। हाँ ठीक है,
मैम एक
बात करो।
मिनट मैम वी विल डू 10 experiments in this semester, right?
यस,
And that means in the manual till the 10th experiment we'll do all.
actually in the I think something we are will not do. Let me check it once. I think in the day one, I have already told you that what are the experiments we should do. Okay, sixth experiment, kinetics of ester hydrolysis, that will do. Yes, up to 10 will do. Yes, true. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, those things we are not going to do. Okay, up to 10.
Okay.
Are you facing any problem during the experiment?
No, ma'am.
Okay, any more doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What will be the syllabus for the lab quiz? All the experiments or
Three. Only three. First three.
okay, ma'am.
Harness, and then your experiment number 2 is
Alkalinity.
alkalinity, and third one is your
Standardization of KLM.
chemical for and estimation of iron 2 plus from more salt.
मैम उसमें क्वेश्चन किससे पूछेगा मैम, लाइक उसका मतलब प्रिंसिपल से पूछेगा कि प्रोसीजर से पूछेगा, मतलब क्या होगा क्वेश्चन?
प्रोसीजर से कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं होता है, सब
मैम
हमेशा थ्योरी से होता है।
तो मैम उसमें तो ये तो फिर वही ना बात हो गई देख के।
जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे आपको एक क्वेश्चन होगा, हार्डनेस से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं कि मतलब व्हाट डू मीन व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट।
अच्छा
ओके
मैम, जो पीपीटी में आप पढ़ा रहे थे ना हम लोग को, जो एक्सपेरिमेंट से पहले पढ़ाते हैं आप हम लोग को, जरा वो शेयर कर देंगे।
हाँ, उससे कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा, कर सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन उससे आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, मतलब एक्चुअली वो मना किए हैं।
उससे कुछ नहीं आएगा, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, मतलब उससे
हाँ,
मना ही।
नहीं मैं पूछ के बताऊंगी, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि उससे कुछ फायदा होगा। रादर इट विल रीड द मैनुअल प्रॉपर्ली एंड यू विल ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। Like EDTA, it's how many denting sites, how many binding sites are there? अगर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 रहेगा तो करेक्ट आंसर आपको देना है। तो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ मैग्नीशियम KMnO4, तो फिर व्हाट इज द like indicator and what is the, why you are like using this indicator, what is the pH of the what pH the indicator will work. So these type of questions, I think it will be good.
ओके मैम।
Okay.
मैम एमसीक्यू होगा क्वेश्चन?
MCQ.
ओके मैम।
You can answer.
मेल सेंड कर दिया मैम आपको
मेल
वैक्सीनेशन
सेंड कर दिया, किस चीज का?
रिगार्डिंग वैक्सीनेशन इश्यू मैम।
उसको मैं क्या करूँ, किसको भेजूं?
मैम आप ही बोले थे मेल सेंड करने।
ठीक है, तो मैं ईमेल कर देती हूँ, नहीं तो भूल जाऊंगी। रिप्लाई टू ऑल। भेजती हूँ, देखते हैं वो क्या बोल रहे हैं। ठीक है।
क्या मैम?
Anyways, मैं भेज दी हूँ.
ओके मैम.
Let us see.
मैम क्विज के मार्क्स.
Yes, Dhruv.
क्विज के मार्क्स मैम.
क्या हुआ समझ में नहीं आया ध्रुव.
क्विज के मार्क्स.
क्विज के मार्क्स अभी तक नहीं दिए हैं वो लोग. उसको छोड़ दो ना, अभी क्या चाहिए उसके लिए. जब 10 क्विज होगा तो आपको पता ही चल जाएगा ना. अभी मतलब मार्क्स के लिए इतना सोचो मत. अभी मिड सेम अच्छा से दो. बाकी 30 मार्क्स का तो आपको मतलब पता चल ही जाएगा, क्योंकि आई विल शेयर बिफोर सेंडिंग टू द लाइक फाइनल ग्रेडिंग
मैम
एवरीथिंग.
फिक्स है
ये
क्या?
आपका हाई स्कूल एग्जाम नहीं है बेटा. ये आपका हाई स्कूल या जो बोर्ड का एग्जाम नहीं है. यहाँ पे जो भी एग्जाम होगा वो आपको मतलब पहले विल डिस्कस विद द स्टूडेंट्स, विल शेयर द मार्क्स विद द स्टूडेंट्स. once the student will confirm that yes he is deserving this much, then only will send to the controller of examination to for the final degree. Why the student सुब्रत क्लास रे अछि किछ इंपोर्टेंट अछि ମୁଁ କହିବି କଣ. यस अनिरुद्ध. यस अनिरुद्ध, ये डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लास हो गया. जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करो, फिर थोड़ा सा तो पढ़ाना है. यस अनिरुद्ध.
मैम गलती से हो गया.
अच्छा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
मैम वो लास्ट क्लास का जो टाइप 2 का एक बार दिखा सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ 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 दिखा सकते हैं. I think whiteboard is visible to all of you.
Yes
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is the intermediate is formed in the first step, and which will remain in equilibrium with the reactants, and again it will slowly react in the second step. So the example of this type 2 is 2NO plus H2 So the proposed mechanism So, in which step you will apply steady state approximation?
RDS, rate determining step. Slowest
So,
step.
which step will apply steady state approximation? See, in the first step, the intermediate is in equilibrium with the reactant, and again in the second step, the intermediate reacting with the reactant to give the product. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So then dN2 O2 by dt is equal to 0. Up to this, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So K1 NO square minus K minus 1 N2O2 minus K2 Okay. Again, the rate is equal to in the second step, that is K2 into N2O2 S2. So in the place of N2O2, we can write K2, K1, NO square divided by, and again H2.
मैम एक स्टेप ऊपर एक बार दिखाइएगा ना.
Just a minute. Yes. Is it okay?
Yes मैम एक मिनट.
Okay, Suprasad, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Because K1, K2, K minus 1, all are constant. So then we have taken another new constant K. K is equal to K1, K2 by K minus 1. So then it is, we are getting the final expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we'll, if it is clear for all of you, then we will go for the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
For everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the mechanism for this formation of first gene is this is your rate determining step. So you have to find out so that dt is equal to k CO Cl2 3/2. Okay. So please try to solve it. Otherwise, if you cannot solve, then I'll solve for you.
मैम
अरे भाई ऐसे करेगा मैं
इको
अरे वो एको मार रहा था। मैम कहाँ गई? मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर कीजिए ना।
ठीक है, कर रही हूँ। Is it okay?
यस मैम। मैम वो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्या है मैम?
Just a minute. If the student has not taken any dose of vaccine because he is not yet 18, then will he be allowed in the campus? Yes, he told me that, Mom, I'll check this and inform you. ठीक है? यस, कोई बोल रहा था कुछ? आई एम सॉरी।
मैम पूछ रहे थे कि फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्या है मैम वो?
Phosgene, PHOSGENE.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Okay, actually there are so many students whose age is not 18, so they are writing, and it will be informed. That's what they have written. In the meantime, I'm taking your attendance. Seven 66,
Yes, ma'am.
67,
Yes, ma'am.
68,
Present, ma'am.
69, Aniruddha Singh, 70,
Present, ma'am.
71.
Ma'am, 71 ma'am.
Present.
Who is present?
Hello.
Ma'am, 71.
71 present. 69 is present or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 769.
72,
Present.
73. I'm sharing the screen so that you can see also it.
Mom, the screen is blank.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
73, 74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Present, ma'am.
76,
Present, ma'am.
77,
Present, ma'am.
78,
Yes, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80,
Present, ma'am.
81,
Present, ma'am.
82,
Yes, ma'am.
83,
Yes, ma'am.
84,
Present, ma'am.
85,
Present, ma'am.
86,
Present, ma'am.
87,
Present, ma'am.
88,
Present, ma'am.
89, 89, 90,
Present, ma'am.
91,
Present, ma'am.
92, 92, 93, 94,
Present, ma'am.
95,
Present, ma'am.
96,
Present, ma'am.
97,
Present, ma'am.
98, 99,
Present, ma'am.
800,
Present, ma'am.
801,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9, 9, 10, 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, 29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49, 50.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, 769 present.
Who is present?
Ma'am, 769. 789.
7, 8, 9.
Ma'am, 769.
769 present.
Ma'am, 773.
7, 8, 9. Yes, 773.
Ma'am, 773. Yes, ma'am.
Almost done. Okay, I hope it is okay now to upload. But few students are not like very less attendance. One is this one. Who is this? Debjyoti Gun. He is not coming to the class.
मैम 824 की कितनी है?
798. Hitesh Priyadarshi Bhanj. Hitesh, he is also very less attendance. 37. Who is this? Pranav Nihal. He is there or not? Who is this one? Shubham Das. He is coming to the class or not? Shubham Das is there or left the university?
Ma'am, I think he left the university.
Okay. Okay. Tanya, your attendance is also less. Anyway, those who are coming, like, otherwise they will face some problem at the end. Okay, so coming to our discussion, is it, could you solve this one or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have solved? Or everybody have solved? Everyone?
Ma'am, I am unable to solve.
Miss is not able to solve it. So, Aryan,
No, ma'am.
you also could not solve. Okay. Shall I solve or shall I, like, I'll request one of your friend to send in the group who has solved it. What do you want?
मैम होमवर्क दे दीजिए, अगर बन गया तो बन गया, नहीं बना तो बता ही दीजिएगा वैसे भी।
ठीक है, तो फिर और एक होमवर्क भी दे देती हूँ।
नहीं मैम, एक ही काफी है मैम।
ठीक है, ठीक है।
यस सर, तो ज्यादा ही प्रेशर है मैम इस वीक में।
अच्छा ठीक है, फिर इतना ही करो, ये करो, फिर नेक्स्ट वीक में लाइक नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी टाइप 4 पढ़ाने से भी और एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, ये लास्ट टाइप। ओके
ओके।
793 अभी मैंने तो ये अपडेट कर लिया, आप लोग क्यों नहीं, मतलब कभी भी नहीं। 793 देवज्योति गन, कैन यू स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो? देवज्योति, आर यू प्रेजेंट देवज्योति?
Yes, ma'am.
So why your attendance is so low? Are you attending all the classes? Devjyoti, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then are you attending the classes or not?
Ma'am, I leave the class earlier. For that reason, I cannot give my attendance.
You are not joined. What? I didn't get you. Pardon?
I leave the class earlier. For that reason,
Why? Why you are leaving the class earlier?
I have a ligament breakage, so I have to go to doctor's clinic.
So you should inform.
Okay, ma'am.
Then if you are present in the class, then there is no like no point to like leave the class earlier. If you have doctor appointment, then 10 minutes because in the meantime somehow we are taking the attendance for each classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise you will face problem.
Hmm.
At the time of exam you will face problem. Nobody is there. Nobody can help you at that time. Anyway, you just if you are not willing to read more, then you can leave this class, and maybe again this Saturday you are having class. Tomorrow also you have a class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay then. Let's see tomorrow.
Ma'am, why this Saturday is open?
ये सैटरडे को आपको लैब का एग्जाम होगा।
नहीं मैम, प्रथमाष्टमी है ना, तो
हाँ, yes, there is one festival for Odia people. Yes, still there is a class. What to do?
কাহিঁকি খোলা কাহিঁ আছে বন্ধ হওয়ার কথা।
What to do? This is the administration like decision. We cannot do. I'm just an employee here. Okay. So whatever the decision, I'll obey and I'll convince you to obey that. Okay. So again, it's okay. What to do? Okay.
मैम मिड सेम एग्जाम पोस्टपोन होगी क्या?
नहीं बेटा, नहीं हुआ।
मैम कब होगा मैम?
मैम तो वो 15 डेज पहले इन्फॉर्म करने वाले थे ना, तो अभी तक कुछ आया नहीं है शेड्यूल।
नहीं, yes, there is one notice I think, mid-sem examination.
मैम yesterday 15 दिन पहले डेट शीट आ जाएगा।
यस मैम।
Just a minute. Autumn mid semester examination for third semester integrated MSc. No. For you all, I didn't. Second semester integrated MSc. No, till now I have not received. So any of you please write in the group so that I'll forward to the central team. Let's see.
मैम yesterday विश्वजीत सर बोले थे कि 15 डेज पहले आप लोग को डेट शीट मिलेगा।
तो नहीं मिला मतलब एग्जाम नहीं होगा क्या?
मे भी
जो भी है हम लोग तैयार रहेंगे, जो होगा होगा, जो नहीं होगा नहीं होगा, है कि नहीं? हम लोग को तो तैयार रहना है ना।
मैम एग्जाम किस पे होगा? मतलब ऑनलाइन करना पड़ेगा कि फोटो खींच के अपलोड करना पड़ेगा पेपर?
गूगल फॉर्म भी होगा, फोटो खींच के अपलोड भी करना होगा, दोनों। लेकिन आप लोग मॉनिटर होंगे, वीडियो कैमरा ऑन रहेगा, जिसका ऑन नहीं रहेगा उसको निकाल देंगे।
हाँ मैम उसकी टेंशन नहीं है, उसका काम हो जाएगा।
हाँ, क्योंकि आप फोटो खींच के लगा दोगे क्या सामने?
मैम बीटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस कुछ तो मतलब
आता है ना, कुछ तो आता
यस
है।
मैम।
टेक्निक। हे बेबी, कंप्यूटर साइंस में आप लोग बेबी हो, फिर भी कुछ तो आइडिया है। चीटिंग करने का आइडिया है ना, कुछ अच्छा होने से
नहीं मैम चीटिंग नहीं, ऐसे टीम वर्क करेंगे मैम।
चीटिंग नहीं करना है।
यस मैम, वी बिलीव इन टीम वर्क।
गुड
भाई तू सारा टीम बोल दे मेरे को।
लेकिन यू बिलीव इन टीम वर्क। अगर आप डॉक्टर रहोगे तो फिर आप टीम वर्क में बिलीव करोगे, कोई पेशेंट का तो जिंदगी चला जाएगा।
मैम वी बिलीव इन यूनिटी।
हाँ, आप लोग यूनिटी में बिलीव करोगे, लेकिन इफ यू वुड बी अ डॉक्टर, अगर आपको पेशेंट आएगा तो फिर आप यूनिटी, फिर आपका टीम वर्क, ये सब तो काम नहीं होगा ना।
यस तो है इंजीनियर।
तो इसीलिए आप लोग इसे चेंज कर दिया दिमाग क्या?
यस मैम, सबका साथ सबका विकास।
अच्छा, अगर मैं टीचर हूँ, मुझे नहीं आती है तो फिर मैं कैसे करूँ, पढ़ाऊंगी आपको, है कि नहीं? तो हमेशा ये सोचो कि आप ऑनेस्ट रहो, और मतलब जो फंडामेंटल जो आपका रोल है एज ए स्टूडेंट, दैट यू प्लीज डू नॉट बिलीव, है कि नहीं?
यस मैम।
डू नॉट डाइल्यूट you are like for the fundamental knowledge you should have, that's what. Okay नील?
यस मैम। यस
सब कुछ ठीक है, लेकिन आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो you should have your fundamental knowledge on that subject, ठीक है? मार्क्स ये सब तो ठीक है। Let's leave this class. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.